Hey man, I heard my name.
That's Lord Mike to you.
Okay, you don't have to be so bossy.
See if you did a good job or not. Hey man. Ooh, cool car. I love Escalades. What did you just call it? Escalade? Dude, it's pronounced Escalade. No, I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Escalade. I think it's Scottish or something. Whatever, man. Are you gonna help me with this thing? Nah. I'm just gonna watch you work for a bit. Missed a spot. Buzz off.
Ask Mike what his favorite part of yoga is. Hey man, I heard my name. Is there a question for me?
Yeah, they want to know what your favorite part of yoga is.
Oh yeah, that's easy. The pants.
The pants. That's your answer?
Yeah?
Okay. There you go. Mike likes yoga pants. Get lost.
Oh my God, are you serious, Mike? Have you been in here the entire time?
Maybe. Nice and quiet in here. I'm watching my Swedish yoga.
Dude, get out.
Okay, you don't have to be so bossy.
And don't go too far, you're gonna be helping me clean this up soon.
Yeah, whatever. It's not even that dirty. Don't get so bent out of shape.
You guys see what I have to deal with?
Alright, with everything clean now, I'll get some 303's aerospace protectant applied to all the interior trim with a microfiber applicator pad, and this is going to leave everything with a non-greasy and matte finish when it dries that truly just looks incredible. Really? This is the vehicle you decide to come help me with? Buzz off. Just be happy in here. What's so smart about this car anyways? Well, you're awfully lippy today. Did you forget to do your yoga? Alright, so the next one here. I honestly don't know why I get asked this question so much. I think it's pretty obvious what the answer is, but it's basically who is Mike and is Mike real? Hey, I heard my name, what's up?
Yeah, everyone's asking whether or not you're real or not. People don't believe that you're actually real.
What? I'm totally real. How could anybody think that?
I don't know, man. If you weren't so bloody lazy and you actually came on to help me more, maybe people wouldn't be asking those questions.
Yeah, but dude, you know I'm a lazy couch potato and I hate work.
Yeah, I know, buddy. They still love you though, so don't worry. Anyways, go back to the couch. I'm working.
All right guys, well, engine bay is done now and it's time to start on the interior. There's absolutely no way that I'm cleaning up all that mess, so I think it's time we go haul Mike in here. Hey Mike, it's time to come clean up your mess. That's Lord Mike to you, or did you forget? Okay, Lord Mike, come clean up your royal garbage. Yeah. My Swedish yoga's at the good part. Downward dog. Just get in here. Never lets me have any fun.
Hey man, did you get my Timbits?
Yes, I got you your silly Timbits.
Oh yeah.
So you actually decided to get off the couch today, eh?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me see here.
Oh yeah, just help yourself.
Dude, you got my favorite. Chocolate.
You are unreal. Well, it's getting close to lunchtime, so I'm not eating Timbits. I'm gonna make some burgers. There. That ought to keep him away. No mic allowed? What is this? And from his own brother, no less. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna get you back, Mitch, and you're not gonna like it.
Hey man, I'm getting hungry. What's for lunch?
Dude, I'm working. You really need me to come in and cook lunch for you right now?
Mm-hmm. I'm not gonna do it.
All right.
Ooh.
Hey man, so you actually started helping this time? Nice sign. It's crooked though. Whatever. Just don't break anything, okay? This car's expensive. What is going on here?
Can't a guy help out his brother every once in a while?
Sure you can.
Well, all right then. Hey man, did you get the goodies?
Yeah, sure did.
Oh yeah. What'd you get?
You gonna pay me back for those?
Oh yeah, absolutely. You know, I'm good for it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Starburst.
Ooh, Mitch isn't here. I'm gonna take a look at Ruby and see if he did a good job or not. Probably not though. Not very good. I think I could do better. I wonder if he found the dent in the back bumper. Don't tell him. If he finds out, he's gonna kill me. Mike, you're dead meat!